Welcome to Top 5 Auto Advice. Signs of a bad CV axle joint. The CV axle joint has boots that contain grease while the axle spins, keeping it from leaking. If the boot develops a leak, the resulting lack of lubrication could soon lead to the failure of the CV joint. If you notice grease on the edge of your tire or the inside of the wheel, don't wait. A knocking sound. Keep an ear out for a knocking or clunking sound, especially a rhythmic one. While this doesn't always come from the CV axle, none of the potential causes are good ones, so an immediate inspection is required. In some cases, you may notice that the knocking sound is more pronounced in reverse. Ultimately, your best bet is to have the experts inspect the problem right away. Clicking noises when turning. Though it's sometimes described as a loud click and sometimes described as a pop, this noise is